Cyber attacks can cripple an organization's operations and bring it down to its knees. Some of the recent attacks, such as Colonial Pipeline and JBS Foods, remind us that cybersecurity doomsday scenarios are real. As the complexity of cyber attacks from unseen enemies increases, accountancy firms are looking at beefing up these services and recruiting more people to cope with the demand for advice. The metaverse is coming, bringing a bevy of new opportunities for good and bad actors alike. As cybersecurity grows in complexity and severity, it'll be essential for businesses to limit and manage access, which starts with zero trust. Before this situation starts affecting the businesses around us, quantum-safe and quantum-resistant approaches are the need of the hour to save the world from the doomsday of cybersecurity. While so much is said, predicted, and faced, what exactly is done towards making it safer? Pioneering the future of encryption, QNu has walked the talk by offering well-proven and commercially ready quantum-safe and quantum-resistant products and solutions that are built to disrupt the security market of the world for good. With quantum physics-based QKD, ARMOS, and QRNG, Tropos, we offer quantum-secure keys and quantum-secure VPN for data security at rest and in transit. We've developed a technology that makes encryption keys highly secure and offers secure distribution and management across channels. The world can now rely on the easy-to-embrace and easy-to-adopt solutions and technology that solve the biggest cybersecurity problem that doomed upon the world for over a decade. With high scalability and ease of integration, QNu has developed complete forward security solutions that are relevant to both existing and future technologies. This is how we take away the fear of implementing new technology and address the significant vulnerabilities of the contemporary tech world. While these were proved to be unsolvable by the existing tech solutions, QNu is here to make a difference. At QNu, we have built solutions ahead of their time, so that you don't have to wait till the advent of the quantum world to bring effective solutions. QNu is your partner for high security and data protection. Begin your journey that is safer than ever with our strong and robust encryption keys, built to replace the classic algorithms. Ready to take on the secured side of the business world? Contact us today.